dear students, welcome back to my class. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous video we have discussed about fprintf with program and execution. Well, in today's video we will discuss about fscanf, that is how to scan the data from the file, that is formatted data from the file and give it to the program with the program and complete execution. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. Watch the video till the end. Do not skip the video. And if you like the video, please click on the like button and share the video to all your friends. fscanf. So the name itself tells you it is going to scan the data. F stands for formatted. So it is formatted input function, that is taking the input from the file. So this function is used to read formatted data from the file stream. So it is formatted input function to get the data, scan the data from the file. Formatted represents any format of data, multiple type of data. And it is just like scanf, like how we use scanf to get the data from the standard input, that is console, that is keyboard. But here this formatted scanf, fscanf, it will not read the data from the console, but it will read the data, it will fetch the data from the file. It says just like scanf, but instead of reading from the standard input console, that is from the keyboard, what it is going to do? It is going to read formatted data from the specified file stream. So how to use this? Let us see the syntax of this. We have fscanf followed with a file pointer within double quotes as usual format string, and we have to use the ampersand to scan the formatted data from the file, ampersand variable name. So for example, I say fscanf, say file pointer name is fp, within double quotes the format specifier %s, %d, then for string the sequence of characters, the array name will give you the complete data, then scan the register number, ampersand of register number from the file pointed to by the file pointer fp. So I scan the value and store it into these variables, and then I can print that with normal printf to the console. So let us see a complete program of this with execution. So here we go with the complete program to understand how fscanf is going to work. So let us assume through fprintf we have already printed the data into the file f12.txt. So for example, employee ID 1001, employee name say Yash, employee salary say 50,000. Okay, so this is what the data we have. This data which is in the file has to be given to this program, and that data will be printed to the console with valid messages, proper messages. Okay, so we have the variables to receive those values: employee ID, employee name, employee salary. We are trying to open the file f12.txt in read mode. It is in read mode. We are reading the data from the file pointed to by the file pointer fp. So fp is the pointer which is pointing to this location. So some address say 1000. So it is pointing to this location, and from there I need to fetch the data because I need to read the data, formatted data, multiple type of data. That is what formatted data. If that file pointer is not pointing to any location, means it is pointing to null. If it is so pointing to null, then I should get a message unable to open the file. If not, I'll come to this point. I say fscanf, scan formatted data from the file pointed to by the file pointer fp. You have to scan integer, string, and then float. Store it into the variable name emp id, emp name, and emp salary respectively. I need to scan the value from the file, so I am using ampersand here, where the ampersand is not required to that is character array required for character array, that is EMP name. The array name will give you the base address. So it is going to store the data. So employee ID will be 1001 will be stored in EMP ID, Yash will be stored in EMP name, and 50,000 will be stored in EMP salary. So the values that what I have scanned from the file will be stored in respective variable names, EMP name and EMP salary. So all those values will be stored here. I say it is Yash, this is 1001, then say 50,000. So all those values will be stored in these respective variable names. And now what I should do, I have to print that onto the console, that is monitor, with valid message as usual with printf. I say printf employee ID, that is 1001 EMP ID, employee name, say yes, then employee salary, that is 50,000. Close the file pointer. So that's all with fscanf. Very simple. So let us see the execution of this program.
Here we go with the program to understand fscanf. So I have opened this file that is fprintf program, so that we will print the data to the file through fprintf. So what we'll do, we will insert this format specifier and with the new line character. So we have this /n, /n and /n, so that while printing the data, we print the data with new line character. So let us save this program. So we are opening f12.txt in write mode. So initially we'll write the data through fprintf. This program we have seen in the previous video. Please do check out the playlist. But only one changes that what I did here is I am inserting the new line character, so that new line will be inserted to the file also. So save this program and run the program. Enter the employee ID 678, name, say Yashoda, say salary, say 50,000. Okay, so we don't get anything here because we're writing into the file. So we can go to that file f12.txt. See, all these data has been written now. So what we'll do now, we will scan this data from the file. So here we go with the program. We have all these variables: employee ID, employee name, employee salary, and we are opening the file that is f12.txt. Here we are opening in read mode. As usual, if it is pointing to null, if the pointer is pointing to null, then I should get the message unable to open the file. If not, I'll come to this point. Look at here. So we have fscanf to scan the data from the file pointer fp, store the values in to the EMP ID, EMP name and EMP salary. What format of data? That we are providing with format string, integer, string and float. So all the values will be stored in ID, employee name and employee salary. So we have ampersand to scan the value from the file, that is f12.txt, and store it into the local variables employee ID, employee name and employee salary, and we are printing that with normal printf. So let us see how it is going to print the data. So let me clear the data here. Save this program and run the program. See, you got the output. Employee ID F678, employee name Yashoda, employee salary 50,000. So this is how we can scan formatted data from the file. So hope you have understood this program, fscanf. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.